What's up guys, and finally it's time to do a battery drain test comparison between the new Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro versus the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is it. Let's see how the custom Google Tensor chip will act inside the Pixel 6 devices in terms of the efficiency and battery. We'll be testing out everything including the usage of social media applications, casual gaming, heavy gaming, YouTube video streaming, as well as the special stress stage where we'll be testing out the benchmarks and pushing these phones to their absolute limit. Now, big disclaimer, the Pixel 6 Pro comes with a Quad HD resolution, and unlike the S21 Ultra, you cannot drop the resolution to 1080p. The only thing that you can change is the refresh rate, so this is definitely going to affect the test. I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm leaving all the settings as they are out of the box on all these phones, so without any further ado, enjoy the music, kick back, relax, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, we are back. The battery drain test is done, and wow, what a test. I gotta say, I'm not surprised at all that the iPhone 13 Pro Max is the winner because it's completely in its own league despite having the smallest battery out of all these phones that we tested out today. All that efficiency is Apple's amazing hardware and of course their amazing software. 10-hour plus usage is definitely the best battery life you can get on a 120Hz phone. Then comes the S21 Ultra, 8 hours and 33 minutes, pretty good. Again, by default, Samsung puts the S21 Ultra to Full HD Plus resolution, which is why you can see the Pixel 6 Pro comes at 8 hours 10 minutes. I wish Google gave us the option to change the resolution of the Pixel 6 Pro to Full HD. That's definitely going to extend the battery life even more. Still, 8 hours 10 minutes on that Quad HD display. Gotta say, the Tensor has definitely shown its colors. Looking at the standard Pixel 6, not surprised, 90Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution, it obviously outperformed the Pixel 6 Pro. 8 hours 17 minutes, not a huge difference, but still you can see that it's right up there with the best of the best. And don't forget, it's only $599, which is crazy compared to all the other competition phones. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the performance on the Pixel 6 series. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and stay tuned for the speed test videos that are coming pretty soon. We'll be testing out everything on the Tensor when it comes to the processor and speed later on. So do subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.